Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can convert your Amazon wishlist from public to private. So if you're interested in this type of content, stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. I have created a whole playlist of Amazon tutorials in which I show you how you can create an Amazon wishlist, how you can hide your address from your Amazon wishlist, and also how you can even delete or cancel your Amazon wishlist. But in some of those videos, I have had so many questions about how you can make your Amazon wishlist public or private. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that from a computer and also from a mobile device, but in this case I'm gonna be using an iPhone. It's really easy. Let's go to my computer now. So before we get started and we go to my computer, let me tell you what are the differences between the three types of Amazon wishlist that you can make. So you can make a private wishlist, and what private means. Private is that you are the only one that can see or have access to this Amazon wishlist. If you share this wishlist with somebody, it automatically converts to shared. Okay? So this is a second type of Amazon wishlist status. Let's call them status. In this way, anybody who has the link to your Amazon wishlist can access it. And the third one is public. Public means that anybody can search it and find it. So these are the three types of wishlist that Amazon currently has. Let me show you now how you can change those status on your computer. I'm gonna go to amazon.ca because I am located in Canada, so I'm going to click on this menu right here where it says Hello Joyce, and then I'm gonna go to your lists right here and click where it says Joyce's wishlist. In this case, I have this wishlist set to public, and I am going to change this to private. If I go here and click on the three dots right here where it says more, I'm gonna click on manage list, and then where it says privacy right here, I'm gonna change from public to private. And as you can see, here are the three status of privacy that we already discussed: public, private, and shared. You can change these to whatever it's your preference, and I'm gonna change it to private right now, and I'm gonna click on save changes. Okay, so right now I just have it as private. Now I'm gonna go and change it back to public. Okay, so we have seen it how you can do it from your computer. Now I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well from your phone. So I am right here on my phone, and I'm gonna go and find Amazon. I'm gonna go to Amazon app, and on the burger button to the right bottom, you can see there are three lines. We call it burger button. Then you click on list right here, and you will see all your Amazon wishlist there. Now I'm gonna go and select Joyce's wishlist, and I'm gonna tap on that, and you can see that there are three dots at the top right besides where it says view lists, and tap there, and it says manage list, the second option. So we're gonna tap there, and we're gonna change from public to private, and then you are going to tap on the save changes button, and now you can go and verify this. Below where it says the Amazon wishlist name, it says private. Okay. It's very easy. Just let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you didn't find any option, let me know as well on the comments down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.